So cute. They are wrapped inside.
So cute. Hi.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack.
They're very soft.
Give a dog a bone.
Oh my God.
This old
Let's
man
try
came
this.
rolling home.
Okay, what do you want to try, Dad? What is that?
This old man, he played two.
This
he
one
played
is a
knick-knack
strawberry.
on my shoe with a knick-knack.
Oh my God,
Give
it's
a
so
dog a
soft.
bone. This
Look at
old
that.
man came rolling home.
They also smells good.
This old man, he played three. He played
this is
knick-knack
peanut.
on my knee with a
Oh,
knick-knack.
wow.
Paddywhack,
This is
give a dog a
very
bone. This old man
See?
came rolling
But
home.
keep
Feels
on.
good to touch.
I'm a heart.
This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack.
Let me see that.
Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This
wow, look
old
at
man
that.
came
How cute
rolling
that is.
home.
Oh, it's a heart. Cute, cutie, cutie, cutie. Have you seen that one, Dad?
This
Oh,
old
wow.
man,
Banana.
he played knick-knack
Banana, you like
on
banana,
my
Jad?
with a
Oh my
knick-knack.
gosh.
Paddywhack, give a
You
dog
can
a
put this
bone.
in your
This old
phone
man
and
came
as
rolling
an
home.
accessories, or you can also put this in
This
a
old man, he played six.
Sorcery.
He played
Mommy.
knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a dog a
Let me see. Oh,
bone.
wow.
This old man came rolling
This
home.
looks so good.
This old
This
man,
one,
he
let me
played
help you with
seven.
that one.
He played
Oh, this
knick-knack
is
up in
really
heaven
good
with a
size. Wow,
knick-knack.
it's perfect
Paddywhack,
size.
give a dog a bone.
So you can
This
use your
old
two
man
hands to
came
just
rolling
squeeze it like
home.
that. It's a panda. So cute.
This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
Mushrooms. Help. I'm so
This old
cute.
man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack. Paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
So cute.
This old man came rolling home.
What is it, Dad? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see the
He
fish.
played ten. He played knick-knack
It's a
once
fish.
again with a
Do you
knick-knack.
like fish, Dad?
Give a dog a bone. This old man
Do you
came
like fish?
rolling home.
Wow. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. Oh, another banana. Mmm. Can you sing a banana song, Dad, like Minions? Ba ba ba. Kabe.
This old
Ba-ba-na-na.
man, he played one. He
Can you give me
played
another one?
knick-knack on my thumb with a
Oh, it's a
knick-knack.
donut.
Give a
Oh,
dog a
wow, look at the
bone.
donut.
This old man came rolling.
It's good for breakfast, Jed.
This old
Do you like
man,
donut?
he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe
Yum,
with a
yum,
knick-knack.
yum, yum,
Paddywhack,
yum,
give a
yum,
dog a
yum.
bone. This old man came rolling.
Okay, let me see that one. Oh, let's
This
see.
old
Let's
man,
try
he
this
played
one right here.
three. He played knick-knack on my knee
Oh,
with a
it's so
knick-knack.
cute.
Paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Kawaii.
This old man came rolling
that.
home.
So cute, so cute,
This
so
old
cute.
man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my
Look at
door
this,
with a
so
knick-knack.
cute.
Paddywhack,
Look at
give a
this.
dog a
See?
bone.
Even
This
even
old
though you
man
squish
came
them so
rolling
hard,
home.
they return to its normal shape. What is this one? Oh, another cutie.
This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on
What
my heart with a knick-knack. Paddywhack,
happened
give
to
a
this
dog a
one?
bone. This old man came rolling home.
Somebody already ate me.
This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack. Paddywhack,
It's
give a dog a
pineapple,
bone. This
everyone.
old man came
Who doesn't like
rolling home.
pineapple? Pineapple is so
This
good.
old man, he played seven.
Yum,
He
yum,
played
yum, yum, yum,
knick-knack
yum, yum.
up in heaven
Yum,
with a
yum,
knick-knack.
yum,
Paddywhack,
yum.
give a dog a bone. This
I'm a
old man came rolling
pineapple.
home. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate
let
with
me
a
get an
knick-knack.
ice
Paddywhack, give a
cream.
dog a bone.
Who
This
wants
old
some
man
ice
came rolling
cream?
home.
Who wants some ice cream? Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is like a good size of ice cream.
This old man,
See that
he
one,
played nine. He played knick-knack on my
paw,
spine
it's a
with a
paw.
knick-knack. Paddywhack, give
So
a dog
cute.
a bone. This old man came
Mm.
rolling home.
It's a cute one.
This old man, he
Look,
played
this
ten.
looks
He
like a
played
Pop-Tart.
knick-knack once again with a
You want some
knick-knack.
Pop-Tart?
Paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
So cute. Oh, what is this? Another mushroom?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a cute one. It's a kawaii. It's a
This
squishy mushroom with a cute little ear.
Hi.
Do you wanna take me home? Can you take me home?
This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog
What is
a bone.
this?
This old man came rolling home.
Burger! It looks like a burger, John. Do you like burger? Patty. It's a burger patties. Who wants some burger patties? Jad? Nom, 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 nom. How about give you the other one, Jad? Let's try this one. This is my favorite one. Because I love to eat bread. It's, look at that. Oh, there's an egg. I'm Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. Can you give me another one, Jen? Another paw.
This old man, he played 7.
Look at that. So cute. Let me see. Another ice cream. So cute. Ice cream
This
too.
old man, he played 8. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack.
Can you take me home with
This
you?
old man came rolling home.
I'm super cute. I'm super squishy.
What else? What else do we have here?
This old man,
Let's try this one.
he played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came
Looks
rolling
like a
home.
gummy bear. You're gonna eat vegetables?
He played 10. He played
Look at that.
knick-knack once
It's so
again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
I'm a
This old
shy
man came
type.
rolling home.
I'm really, really shy. Wing, 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 wing. I can sing. Wing, ding, ding, wing, oh, na, 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 na.
Look at this.
Uy, I'm done with this ice cream, Judd. I'm done. I'm done. Another patty. Just be careful with it, Judd. Here's another Pop-Tart. Who wants another bite of Pop-Tart? Yummy!
Oh, hi. I'm Hello Kitty. I'm kitty, 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 Hello Kitty.
Soft. Oh my god, kitties is so soft. So cute. Another bread. Which is like the last. Yummy. You want some? There you go. You can have a bite. Oh, yep, 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 yep. That. Can you give me one, Judd? Oh, another kitty. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. So, as you can see, they're really good quality. Like they look like they're very expensive. They're very soft to feel, very good to squeeze. So this is everything I got, guys.